Alrighty, alrighty. I want to show y'all something. I want to show y'all something. Alright, so check this out. I'm not an oil trader, but I do trade oil. I'm a professional, so anything that comes my way is gonna get traded. Okay, as long as you guys understand that, then you know that I'll be trading everything. Okay, so that being said, this is an oil trade. Oil been on a downtrend. You feel me? 9:30 happened. It's 9:04. You feel me? I got into an oil buy. Why? Oil came down. Look. Boom. It made an inverted head and shoulders here. Didn't respect it. Kept dropping. Made an M. Boom. Made a W at this support. Shot up. Came down. Did not break here. Shot up. Made another ugly W. This is on the 4 chart. 412. On the 410. The W's look more W-ish, but it made another W. Shot down, did not break this low. Shot up, did not break the high. Shot down, but did not break the low. Shot up and broke the high, equaling what? A breakout. Broke past these highs. Market structure shift. Stopped at these highs, came the retest, but what it didn't do? Break these lows. So what does that mean? These lows are where you need to break right now for price to continue down. Against the trend, yes, but your market structure shift is right here. So when we came and retested these highs that we broke past that we couldn't break right here, and we couldn't break them and retested, I got in on the next brick. Instead of putting stop losses under here, I put stop losses under the structure. So if you really want to stop me out, come down here and do it, playboy. And it really took off. Now, like I said, I'm trading NAS on the MNQ. So not as much money, but just as much ticks so I can hold drawdown or whatever. Classic inverted head and shoulder structure here. These are the highs right here. I don't know if you see me draw them shits out, but that's basically what it is. Oil is going to give me 50 ticks, and I'm going to clear it. Feel me? I'm letting y'all know in advance. It don't ever go to TP. It just gives me 50 ticks. And I'm cool because that's $500. Oh, as a matter of fact, I took this trade on the sim account. And that's what pissed me off because this was 80 something ticks right before 9:30 and this played out. 9:35, I was up 20, 30 ticks. I took it on the sim because it was before 9:30. So once that played out, I was basically like, damn, I missed a perfect smagadocious trade. So now let me go look at what I wanted, which was MNQ. So now let me show y'all what I was seeing. Now, although I wanted it to come here, I had to catch my fucking common sense. Like, okay, cool. I trade 16s and 32s. Is there lows and highs on a 16 and 32? Go on to 16, yeah. Go on to 32.
I
This
think I
is
had. I mean, I ain't gonna even think. I had
this
that
is BS.
Nasdaq buy last night. I just had to watch a movie with my lady, but I had that.
So I come on to 16. I'm like, there's lows here. So okay, cool. Let me draw this low. Boom. We don't break this low. We're not going down. Come here, tapped it. Came up, boom. Now I drew, there was an imaginary high drawn here, but I don't like to draw it because it's clutter. But there's also an inverted head and shoulders right here. Cool. Market drawn, put your little box around the right shoulder. We don't break the shoulder, this inverted head and shoulder holds.
Nasdaq buy. Did y'all get that jank last night?
Nah.
No.
Yeah, I think everybody.
I tried to put 4 contracts on it on the minis. It didn't work.
They had got off the phone
That's Top Step holding me by the nuts again.
when I looked at it
Oh my.
Order
What you
submitted.
mean,
3. No.
during market open?
this morning, and
I could have put 2 on it. Now, once I figured that out, instead of getting in here, I had to get in up here, which means my stop loss. Well, actually, instead of getting in here, I had to get in here, which means my stop loss was here, but now I had to aim higher. So that kind of ticked me off. There go Top Step again with the bullshit. But still we rise. $135, $150, $190.
I got in though.
Then yeah, you see, Islam, you don't need to worry then.
Order filled.
Now, I closed this because I was up 200 ticks, which is cool. But where I would have gotten in was an additional 150 ticks. So to be honest with you, I was already annoyed. Top Step keep holding me by the nuts. It's getting pretty annoying now. That being said, I still wanted to trade, so I'm happy. I took it according to the higher time frame. I just switched over, got the breaker structure there, put my stop loss according, and it went good from there. That kind of eased my tension. But where I wanted to get in from was an additional extra ticks. So I'm already kind of flustered. That's probably my fault for not going on the website and seeing how much micros or whatever I could trade. I guess they really meant to. But all in all, positive week. Ended up 2 green days, 1 red, or 1 break even. Didn't trade Friday, and this was the 15th, so I didn't trade Wednesday and I didn't trade Friday. I got 3 morning shifts again, so with that being said, I probably won't trade 3 mornings. I'm gonna try and trade London. So if y'all want to watch me do that, I'm gonna record that, see how that goes. And yeah, but aside from that, like Monday, I work, so I'm gonna probably try and trade the London session, watch for that volume, see what it does, see some lows, highs be respected, and then go from there. Tuesday, I trade New York. So with that being said, that's my normal time. I'll be back with the crew live and direct, so y'all gonna get a video for that. Wednesday, I work a morning, so I can't avoid that. Thursday, I work another morning, or I believe I work an afternoon on Thursday. So if I do that, I can still trade the morning. And then Friday, I'm off. So I can trade that Friday. So I need 3 of those days to be winners. Hopefully I can get like at least 2 of those days $1,000 winners. And yeah, if I can do that, I'll be one of the happiest mans alive. Probably take like a couple days off from work. Tell them it's a work emergency. I mean a family emergency. And kind of spend some moolah. I got big things to do, so y'all are gonna probably see that shit happen in the process. But that's bye. I killed my risk so I can feel better about the money I'm losing. And that's a lot more easier because going from seeing $600 to $700 in drawdown to seeing like $300 to $200 in drawdowns a lot easier on your mental. At least, I mean, I don't make as much, but I'll take like a $200-300 win on NAS to learn good, and then smack on 30 or smack on oil for like $400, $500, $600, $700, $800 to a band, and then feel good on that. You feel me? So I'm not really pressed to kind of because oil and 30 are still heavy hitters. So I'm not really pressed to hit Nas so hard, even though Nas do move. If I catch one good mover, then shit. Now imagine if I catch it London session and I close it at like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning before I slide. And like I'm up like 5, 6, 700 ticks. That's like 500, $600. Then I'm like on the micro. That's cool. But I just need 200 plus, so I'll already know. I need green days. So that's the goal, to get green days. You see, Nas was a winner. What else did I do?
Why you close it?
200. 200 ticks. I'm sticking to my guns. Now,
You don't need to worry then. The 19.5.
come back. It shot up a little bit higher.
Yeah,
Everybody was basically trying to make me feel bad that I closed it a bit early, and I did understand. Like I did close it a bit early. Probably gave like another 100 extra ticks before it dropped, and I understand. But I need y'all to understand how I felt. Like I missed my prime entry, which was gonna be all the ticks y'all was gonna tell me, and I understand that, but I was pressed. So with that being said, I left some money on the table being pressed. It came back down. It didn't even go there fully. Now, this is the trade I missed on oil. I missed it, hit imbalance, came down. EMA is underneath price. I'm looking for buys. I'm looking to see it reject and shoot up a little bit higher. Feel me? So I let it come in, do whatever it wants. As you can see, Nas didn't touch right here, which I would have taken it again, but it didn't touch right here. It just made a W here and shot on up. This is oil. Now, here's another thing. Scenario. When price does this, makes a W and shoots up, if it has one of these and it breaks through both of these, expect it to react off of this. This is prime entry, but expect it to react off of this. Like, don't jump at the first thing you see here, but expect a reaction there. So it's supposed to come to this line, but remember it already retested this line on a lower time frame, so that line's technically not valid anymore. Hence the reason why I say expect one off of this. Because look, bouncing off of here. Waiting for the rejection. Got the rejection. Got in. Up 37 ticks, 39, 34, 25. I waited hours for this trade to play out. And look. This is when I got my common sense. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? I just need to just wait for my trades to play out. That's what I did. Push it over break even once it broke the highs. And just let it go. I stole 50 ticks off this thing. 50 ticks. There you go. Out of 57, I took 50. 500 bucks. Combined with my NAS 250, 260. Chilling. Chilling. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these trades that are nice and slower, but easier on the conscience and on the mental. And in the meantime, I'm gonna take Nas trades, which is fast and subtle, fast and extremely gangster, and kind of build my confidence up with Nas, so when I get the capital, or like I like to think about it, the HP to go and fight the Nas monster, I can do significant damage, at least chip away enough dragon scales to go and change my life, you feel me? But hey, it's getting better. So with that being said, y'all just need to, just bear with me, man. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Sly. We out.
Yesterday when I shouldn't have lost.